King Arthur and his knights were hungry after their noble crusade. On their way home, a mere day's journey, they slay a royal deer and avoid the hunger death. The neighbor king comes upon them and pronounces the judgment of death for killing the royal deer. But King Arthur pointed out his need, noble mission, and equal status as king. The king agreed to pardon the deed if they could answer but one question. What do women want? They agreed and started a new quest. Return to Camelot and get the answer. They counseled with the wise men and got many answers, but confident they were not. Lancelot suggested that he and Arthur consult with the knowledgeable witch at the forest edge, even if they must pay for the opinion. They traveled to the witch's castle to seek her wisdom. The witch said, I know the answer to that question, but it will cost you. Arthur said, we can pay. How much? I must marry Sir Lancelot, replied the witch. Absurd, said Arthur. Lancelot said, King, you are more important than I. I will marry the wise witch. So be it, says the witch. Women want to be in control. They returned the answer to the other king, and all began to celebrate as the other king rejoiced with them in the answer. The castle seemed friendlier, and the door was open as Lancelot went to visit the queen and fulfill his bargain. Lancelot sees a beautiful woman and says, where is the witch? I am the witch, and I can make myself beautiful either day or night. Which would you prefer? Lancelot pondered the question and answered, no, you choose. The witch said, because you let me choose, I can become even more beautiful. Both day and night. So the moral of the story is, if you do not give her what she wants, well, things will get ugly.